There you have it, okay? This pot here, this is a giant one. This is a nice head of thyme here. I have some mint with herb, rosemary. I'll show you why it will be placed inside of this one. And once you know how some of the plants operate, then you can function better. Something quick and easy here. Let's make a mini herb growing station, okay? So I went to the big box store. This is all that I got because I chose to rebuy some stuff. This pot here, this is a giant one. This is a 4-gallon pot, okay? So we're gonna plant it up, make it into a mini herb station. You don't have space. You don't even have what I have in this 7x7 plot, but you want a herb station, and it is important. So I'm gonna show you how to use something like this to get one for yourself, okay? So first, I'm gonna tell you what I have. I got thyme, okay? This wasn't bad. Full sun. This is a nice head of thyme here. I have some mint. I lost my mint. My mint is struggling because of the exposure that it had, and I got some here. This is a good starting point. And my favorite herb, rosemary, okay? So I'm going to tell you what I'll be doing. I'll have another pot. This is another pot, and I'll show you why it will be placed inside of this one, and I'll show you why. So first things first, I'm going to plant the mint, okay? And I'll tell you why. Mint spreads fast and it can take over anything, okay? This says mojito mint. This is good. So I'm going to put it into its dedicated pot within this pot so it doesn't choke the roots of the other herbs that I have starting here, okay? So I'm going to put it inside this pot and this pot within here, okay? So that's what I'll be doing. Once you know how some of the plants operate, then you can function better within the garden. And even though mint is good, oh, it knows how to steal a show by taking over the garden. That is why I don't have it in my beds as per your advice. So there you go. That is one down. All right. So now at the base of this pot, I'm gonna put some of my wood chips in it for drainage and to help cover up some of these holes. Because this hole is big here. So here we go. I'm just using big chunks like this to cover over these holes. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dirt just above this layer here before I get anything else in. And then I'm going to place my mint right there. The rosemary, I'm going to be putting it dead center in the pot. Why? It is tall and woody, and it can take the heat of the sun, okay? So it being right there is perfect, okay? And then I'm going to add some more dirt because if you know thyme cascades, okay? It will grow, it will spread, and it will overflow the edge of this pot. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. And I keep adding more dirt to the sides here. And now I have this thyme. Ooh, this is a nice thing of thyme. And if you notice, I am placing it on the outside of this pot here. So here you have it. Okay? And I'm not done yet. Because you might be thinking, oh yeah, this pot, this giant pot, is such a waste. I'm not wasting anything. I'm not wasting any space. I can't afford to waste any space. So I'm going to fill this pot and I'm going to tell you. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to be planting some radishes next to here. the space that I have here, there you go. I'm not putting anything to waste because this radish will benefit from the microclimate here, okay, that has been created. In a regular bed might be too hot now for them to germinate or have a higher degree of germination. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle them in and around this area here, so and it can benefit from these pest repelling herbs, okay? So that is exactly what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to put another layer. I'm going to put another layer of dirt on top, okay? There you have it, okay? Here it is, a herb station in a 9-inch pot. The final thing I'm gonna do here is water, okay? I'm too far away from my thing now, but I always have a thing of water handy. Good. And there you have it. There you have it. So these are the small things that you can do to build yourself, okay? And create something in your small space. So here you have it. Continue along with me, Deb here, with another quick one. And here you have a small herb patch. 3 important herbs: rosemary, thyme, and mint in its own microclimate so that it does not take over the whole bed. Okay, there you go. Stick around for the next one. You don't know what I will be showing you next. Okay, have a good one. Bye.